In 1985, the painting Woman Ochre by Willem de Kooning is stolen from the University of Arizona Art Museum in Tucson. On November 29th, a couple enters the museum, and the woman distracts a security guard. The man goes upstairs and cuts the painting out of its frame. 32 years later, in 2017, the painting is purchased at an estate sale in Cliff, New Mexico by antiques dealer David Von Acker. Von Acker hangs it in his store in Silver City, New Mexico. One day, he is offered $200,000 for the painting and realizes that it may be more valuable than he originally thought. Van Acker does some research and discovers the origin of the painting. He contacts the University of Arizona and returns it to them. The painting was badly damaged in those 32 years. It is sent to the Getty Museum in Los Angeles, where it is carefully restored at one of the top facilities in the world. It is finally put back on display at the University of Arizona in 2022. And now, it's time for our Today in History quiz. Who loses his post as head of Britain's Royal Navy after the failed Gallipoli campaign during World War I? Winston Churchill, Louis Mountbatten, Bernard Montgomery, or Neville Chamberlain? Think you know the answer? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Find out if you're right tomorrow on Today in History.